It's Treasure Trovember time, and each year I meet all kinds of amazing collage artists. But let's be honest, we all have our types. Let's meet them. First of all, we have the pure of heart. They listen to the prompt and just do it. No hesitation, no distractions, no chaos. I heard the prompt was rusty relics. Grabbed my glue stick, glued it down. 5 minutes later, done. Off for a cup of tea. We love their serenity. We're jealous of their serenity. Next up, we have the copycat collager. They start with good intentions, and then things get just a little too familiar. So I watched Kelly's demo, and I was like, okay, maybe I'll try something similar. So I totally made my own thing. Fine. Okay, it's exactly like what Kelly did. Flattery level, expert. Then we have the research rabbit hole. They can't start until they've seen everyone else's interpretation. They need inspiration before they start. Just checking what everyone else did for day 3. Wow, look at that. Wow. Wow. How is it already midnight? They'll post their final collage in December sometime. Next up, the rebel. They take one look at the prompt and say, nope. Today's prompt is shimmer. Yeah, no. I'm doing mud. Mud. You can't tell them what to do, and honestly, respect. Yes, the maximalist maniac or overachiever, you know the type. They start one collage and suddenly they've made 7. I just couldn't decide. So I made one with gold leaf, one with feathers, one that's 3D. There's a circular one. There's that one that's monochromatic. Couldn't decide. Yep, we get it. You're unstoppable. And finally, the rule maker. They've created 14 personal guidelines before they even glue anything down. All right. I can only use vintage book pages. 3 shades of green. No scissors, only tearing. Must come from my stash that I've had since 1990. Classic. So, which type of Trovember artist are you? Or are you a hybrid? Let me know in the comments, and remember, there's no wrong way to do Treasure Trovember. Lots of paper, maybe a little glue on your fingers. Enjoy.